Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily customize controls and gestures in your Nothing Headphones 1. So, here in the Nothing X application we have to scroll all the way down till we see something called controls. We have to tap that, and as you can see, here we do have our controls. I can modify the single press on the button, which is channel hop or voice AI, or we can set it to noise control, news reporter, special audio, mic mute, EQ preset, or no action. Here we can now go back into press and hold, and here we can now modify press and hold. Here we can modify the roller. Here we can modify the paddle. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.